Welcome! Today we're talking about information sources for research to provide evidence. Providing evidence is one of the very important functions of using information in our research now. Right now, you're transitioning from high school to university. In high school, you mainly used textbooks and needed to memorize and provide the right answer. Now in university, you use a wider variety of information sources to synthesize ideas and form your own opinions and solutions. There are differences between general and higher-level information sources. First is audience. It is an important consideration, as your teachers have probably discussed. Next, information sources vary in verification and editing, from none to peer review. Time-lapse is also a factor, with news channels providing timely information and census data capturing demographic changes over time. The tools used to find information will shift from open search engines to subscribed search tools in university. Now, to lay it out graphically, you guys were part of the general public, and in high school and first-year undergraduate. You're over in this area still relying on what we would call literature for the general public and using everyday English. You're now moving into scholarly and professional information that is more in-depth and technical. Even without a master's or PhD, you'll become a scholar by the time you finish your bachelor's. You will start using academic books, conference proceedings, and research reports. In business subjects, you will be using company analyst reports, company industry statistics, and industrial profiles. Scholarly information takes time to be compiled, digested, and released. You'll use both general and scholarly information, but focus more on the latter in the rest of our modules. If you need further assistance, contact us via email or WhatsApp. Thank you.